Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we are going to talk about how to modify a list. So lists are mutable in Python. It means that we can change their elements by accessing their index or performing certain operations. We are going to write a program to replace the second item in a list with orange. Okay, so our original list is here. So it's called fruit. It has three elements: apple, banana, and cherry. And we also learned that the index of banana is zero. The index of apple is zero, the index of banana is one, and the index of cherry is 2. So we would like to write a program to replace the second item in the list with orange. So the second item in the list is banana. We're going to modify this banana and replace it with orange. But how can we do that? It's very easy. We type down the name of the list and the index of the second item, banana, which is the index is 1. Based on 0, starting from 0, the banana index is 1. And we are setting equal sign to orange. This way, I'm modifying the second element of this list. After that, I'm printing my list. How? I'm using the print keyword and put down the name of the list. So when I run this code, we see that apple, orange, and cherry is being now printed in the output. But what if I would like to change cherry to something else? So for example, I would like to modify cherry. So I would type down the name of my list and the index of my third element, which is cherry, and the index is 2, and I'm going to uh, have the equal sign, and I'm just typing down pineapple. Okay, so now I would like to replace cherry with pineapple and then print out the fruit list. So when I run this code, I see this new list of mine here: apple, orange, and pineapple. So this is basically are the rules of how to access certain elements in a list for further modification. Thank you for watching.